people lives here. You know what I mean? We are people. You know what I mean? I'm like, everybody in here in the community thinks that they forgot about us. That your son comes to you and said, "Oh, everything's ruined. My games, It's like I'm trying to be strong and like, oh yeah, but it's not."
All of Puerto Rico is still without power and may have no electricity for months to come.
Some people say they're just waiting and waiting for clean water and food. This is Cataño, a town just outside San Juan. Officials there say more than half of the people are homeless in the town. One woman told our Garrett Tenney that Red Cross workers came by a couple of days ago and promised they'd be back with food and water, but so far, she says nobody's returned.
Perdón.
FEMA officials say it's very difficult to get aid to some areas because of the extent of the damage.
El 2 de María es el año y lo siento todavía, pero no me quiero quedar aquí. Quiero seguir trabajando, quiero seguir ayudando a Puerto Rico y a mi playa de Punta Santiago a echar para adelante todavía. Se fue el negocio, pero no se fue el sabor. Vamos a seguir luchando y vamos a
I have not seen major numbers of federal officials out there doing what needs to be done for this island in crisis.
I want to make sure that everybody who's listening to us knows how grateful, how thankful we are for everything, every person, every resource, everybody who we know are working around the clock to help us.